So this is Mr. Rafa Online Tuitions. Please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, Mr. Rafa Online Tuitions, Biology. So figure 2.0 shows a graph showing the effect of temperature on an enzyme catalyzed reaction. So we have rate of reaction, we have temperature. So A1, what is an enzyme? So an enzyme, it is the biological catalyst that is a protein in nature. So an enzyme, it is a biological catalyst that is a protein in nature. So when you look at a catalyst is a substance that speeds up the chemical reaction without itself changing. Part 2, what is the optimum temperature of the enzyme reaction shown in the graph in figure 2.0? So this is the optimum temperature. So here it shows the optimum temperature. Optimum temperature, that is the maximum temperature where an enzyme works at its best. So the optimum temperature here, this is the optimum temperature, just after 35. So there the optimum temperature is 37 degrees. So that is the optimum temperature. So B1, at what temperature in the figure 2.0 is the enzyme completely denatured? So when you look at the graph, as temperature was increasing, the rate of reaction of the enzyme was also increasing. Now, just after the optimum temperature, the rate of reaction started to drop until it is completely dropped to zero at 58 or 59. So at 58 here, that is where it is completely dropped. That is where the rate of reaction is 0. So in this case, the enzyme is completely denatured at 58 degrees. So give a reason for your answer in B above. So at this temperature, here as you can see, the rate of reaction of an enzyme catalyzed reaction, the rate of enzyme catalyzed reaction is completely 0 here. So this indicating that the enzyme, it has completely lost its functional shape. That's the meaning of the word denatured. When an enzyme is denatured, it has completely lost its functional shape such that a substrate cannot fit into the active site of an enzyme. So that is what it means when we say denaturing of an enzyme. So here the reason is then C1, explain why it is important to measure the body temperature when a person is sick. Number one, to detect if fever is present. So there are some illnesses, some sicknesses that their symptoms is fever. Number two, for efficient treatment. That is number two. That is the reason why it is important to measure the body temperature when a person is sick, to detect if fever is present, for efficient treatment as well. Proposed ways the body temperature of a sick person can be brought down to normal. So the body temperature of a person can be brought down to normal by hydration. By hydration, by drinking fluids, more especially water. So by drinking water. Number two, by applying cold water to the body.